So guys, here we have a question and that says four students contributed to a charity drive and the average amounts contributed by each student was $20. Okay. For example, there were the five students A, B, and C and D. The average of those all students they was the $20. Okay. Okay. For example, A contributed X and B contributed Y. C contributed Z and D contributed A. Okay, there are the four. Okay. Now it says if no students give more than $25, means that $25 is the maximum. What is the minimum amount that any student could have contributed? So let's suppose if I would say, let's assume that, okay, first let's calculate that the total amount that they all have contributed. Okay, for example, 4 multiplied by 20, it's mean that would be $80. Okay, the sum of all students that they contributed is $80. Okay, now let's suppose I want to have the minimum. Okay, so that's mean for the minimum I have to assume that they all contributed the maximum amount. Okay, so what could be the maximum amount? That is the $25. Okay, A contributed $25, B contributed 25, C contributed 25. Okay, and D contributed A. So if you will add all of this number, so that could be the 75, and 75 minus 80, that would be the $5. So it's mean the minimum that the fourth student could be, that is $5. Okay, for example, if that would be 4, so that's mean the sum of all number would not be 80, it's mean they contributed 79. Okay, so it's mean for making the sum of making the sum 80, you have to increase that, but you cannot increase because the limit is 25.